So, I have been sitting on this video idea for quite some time because honestly, it scares me a little. But I've also learned that जिन बातों से डर लगता है, actually, those are the things which need to be said. For context, I'm Soumya. Hi, I'm a stay at home toddler mom, and these are some of the things which weigh me down and make me feel not so good about myself. I'm trying to work through them, not fix them, work through them. That's different. The first one, and probably the one which takes up the maximum amount of mental real estate, is my body. When I had my little one, my body changed. And I know it's supposed to be a beautiful thing, and it really is. But sometimes it's really hard when you look yourself in the mirror and you don't recognize that person. और अगर आप अपनी कोई पुरानी फोटो देखते हो and you feel something. It's not exactly grief, but it's something like that. My weight went up, my clothes don't fit, at least not the way they used to. And I cannot stress enough on the fact that I am so grateful that this body gave birth to a wonderful human being. But I am also allowed to grieve or miss my previous body, because both these feelings are true. I have started moving my body lately. I've mentioned that quite a few times on this channel, but not in a way to punish it or shrink it, in a way actually which makes me feel good in this body. I'm getting stronger slowly, very slowly, but I feel stronger. I am also trying to rephrase the way I am talking to myself about my body, because the thoughts I have in my mind about my body or about the way I look, I would never talk that way to anyone. So I'm trying to rephrase those thoughts, not with all positivity. That doesn't work for me, but with less cruelty. So giving myself grace, trying to be comfortable the way I am as and when I'm trying to improve myself, and I'm sure I will be there someday. Okay, this one hits different. I'm a stay-at-home mom, which means I don't get a salary. मेरे नाम की कोई paycheck नहीं आती. And although me and my husband are completely aligned with this choice, there are some times where I feel small about it. Like, for instance, if I want to spend money on myself, something just for myself, I feel guilt that I don't deserve it. I haven't earned it. As if my contribution to this household, to this family, has no value because there is no number attached to it. No one has made me feel that way. It's all on me, and I realize that there is a lot of internal work that needs to be done to reframe what the word earning actually means, because the value of what I do, whatever I do, be it the scheduling, the emotional management, the feeding, the continuous mental load, it has value, and I need to start learning to see it that way. Because I'm sure a lot of us feel this shame, this guilt of not bringing money to the household. Yeah. This one's quieter, but it's much more constant. Before I became a mom, I had a version of myself which I knew quite well. I had opinions, I had interests, I even had a sense of style. And now I'm a mama. That's what I hear all the time, every day, and I love it. I love it so much. But when the house gets quiet, that's when I think, what about me? What about what I want? What am I working towards? And who am I beyond this role? Not getting the answers to these questions, that is what is scary. This channel plays a huge part in navigating those thoughts. Fitness plays a part in it. Taking 15 minutes to make a cup of chai and sit quietly and not do anything else plays a part in it. Because after becoming a mom, figuring out who I actually am matters much more. Because now she is watching me. She's learning from me. Oh, mom judgment. It silently kills you if you do not put a check on it. When you hear other moms or other parents say, "Oh, आप अपने बच्चे को स्क्रीन देते हो? हम तो बिल्कुल नहीं देते। हमारा बच्चा तो सिर्फ देसी घी में बना हुआ खाना खाता है। Our child knows everything, सब जानता है, वो ये कर लेता है, वो कर लेता है." And then you are spiraling. It's very easy to start thinking that you are not doing enough, that you are not enough, that you are completely incompetent for this role. That fear, that fear can be all consuming. And after feeling that way for quite some time, after experiencing it, I come back to one thing. I know my child. I know me. No one else has full context. Is my child happy? Is my child safe? Is she active? Is she well fed? Is she safe? That's all that matters. What anyone else says, what anyone else feels, that is not important. What is important is that your child knows that her mama is there for her. That's all. So these are mine, my insecurities that I carry, my body, my financial worth, my identity, and the judgment of others. I haven't solved any of it, but like every single mother out there, I'm trying every day. And if today you saw yourself in any of the things which I said, please drop a comment below. I'd love to chat, because if you are feeling such feelings, I think it's easier when you're not doing it alone. Thank you so much for listening to me, for trusting me with your time. I'll see you all very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.